Hey, good afternoon, everyone, or if it's the morning or evening time, good morning, good evening. It's Jake with Jake Burkett Real Estate out here in Las Vegas. Apologize for the dog barking, but got another great home tour for you today. Our location is we are, if you look at Nevada, like on a Y and an X-axis, we're just kind of central left a little bit. So that's the area where we're at. It's this beautiful ranch-style home right behind me right here. So let's go take a look at this. If this is your first time joining us, thank you so much, appreciate it. If you could go ahead, like, subscribe, follow us, appreciate it. If you have any questions about buying or selling homes in Las Vegas, that's what we do. We do these video home tours just to give you an idea of the communities and what's out there. So let's get back to this house. This house originally was built in 1979. Square footage on it is 2,609, and it's right just a fraction over and half an acre lot. We got 4 bedrooms, we got 3 bathrooms. You can see we have 3-car garage right there. We have a nice big wide driveway, really mature pine tree right here in the front yard. And we do have RV parking over on the side. What else would be good? Oh, we got some kids playing in the neighborhood that are screaming. So if you hear that, it's okay, nobody's dying. Nice big backyard, mature landscape. We're on public utilities here. And we do have natural gas in the house. So you can see we have asphalt shingles on the roof. Got new windows on it. Really nice looking entryway into the home right here. Kind of just show you, it's a nice big front yard too. We are a corner lot, so we have 2 true neighbors. So I'm just kind of showing you around here. Exterior of their house has been recently painted. The trims have been painted. Got these big, beautiful bay windows right there. And let's go ahead and get inside this house. Welcome home. I'm just gonna lock this door behind me. That's what I always do when I go into homes, just to make sure that nobody who we don't want to be in the house with us doesn't follow us in the house. So, all right, let's take a look at this house so you can see we've had walls removed to open up and just create one big, beautiful great room. The bedrooms, all 4 of them are down this widened hallway right here, so that's nice. It opens the place up a little bit. And then over here, we'll just kind of keep going, sliding around. You got a formal dining area kitchen, you got a formal sitting, you got more of a casual living room. Great kitchen, center island, wonderful stone countertops throughout it. We got all new cabinetry, shutters, light fixtures. You can see there's been new can lights been put in all over the house. And before we get into the kitchen, I will just show you. So the whole entirety of the home has been textured, so it's just perfectly smooth. So that's pretty nice. All right, well, let's just start right here where the TV and couch, and you got a little console table, a little coffee table right there, excuse me. So you can see they've tiled up the back wall, done some cool patterns. You got a little electric fireplace right there. Gives off heat, light, ambience. Got room for a pretty big TV that's probably about an 85-inch or bigger you could put in there. Got a couple little floating shelves there. Do have a jack right there for a ceiling fan if you like. Little slider over there, which we'll take a look at. Getting over here into the kitchen. It's got a nice waterfall edge on this big center island. You can see there's 4 bar stools right there. And if you can see there's cabinetry, so you have additional storage. We'll just show that there. In here. So that's really cool. Storage is a really important thing to have in a house. And if you don't have enough, you wish you had more. And if you have plenty, then you're never complaining about it. All right, so there's our center island. And real quick here, I'll show you the tile we're working with. It's a ceramic tile. All right, kind of cool. Got a little bit of pattern, like little veins running through it, so it kind of breaks it up a little bit. Do have Viking appliances in here. Got this big 6-burner gas cooktop. Got your microwave right there. You got your oven right there. Coming back over here, you have the same backsplash that you do on the counters coming up for the base of the walls. Got these gold handle finishes. Everything's soft close. Nice big sink. Got a window that looks out into the backyard, which is great backyard. It's fantastic. We'll get out to that in a little bit. Over here you have your dishwasher. You got a big built-in fridge on the top, freezer on the bottom. And over here you got a wine fridge, a dual zone wine fridge right there. There's no formal pantry, but there's a huge laundry room right next door. But there is, as you can see, there's a ton of space over here. So lots of food storage area. Got some great accent wall work going on throughout this house, as you'll see in some of the other rooms as well. Lots of windows in the home, all new windows. They do have the black window frame molds, which I think are pretty cool. They go with the accents throughout the house. Nice touch. You got the gold, you got the black. And yeah, so this is kind of your one-stop shop great room. Formal sitting area right over there. And let's do this. We'll finish off in the bedrooms last. So we'll continue over here because we have, like I said, you got a nice big laundry room right here, right? So you got your washer dryer right there, countertop space. You got a wet sink over here, more storage space. Cool backsplash right there. This is your hot water heater. And we said the home was built in 1978. So they have converted it to a tankless hot water heater. So you should always have instant hot all the time. And right over here, we do have a full bathroom, or excuse me, a 3/4 bathroom. We don't have a tub. We just have a big walk-in shower. And here's the sink with a smart mirror. Just a simple walk-in shower. So this is great if people were out in the backyard hanging out, coming in from the pool. This would be your pool shower. Could also be your guest shower or bathroom if you're entertaining guests. But it's a nice big shower, big walk-in shower. And then from here, we're going to pop into the garage. I've only seen it from the outside. So just your standard 3-car garage. Got epoxy flooring in here. They've added lights all throughout the garage, where I'm sure you've been in your own garage and you just have the light from your motor and maybe one other light, but it's nice to have a lot of light. It's a pretty deep garage too. I'd say it's a little bit deeper than standard. And we have this cool additional storage room right off the side. Storage is always good. And I have additional plug right there. I'm sorry, I don't know if that's 240, 50 amp, 30 amp. I didn't bend down to see what indication was on it. GFI outlets out the garage. Got your soft water loop right there. And let's go ahead and hop into the backyard. Let's do that. So you can see we have a pretty much a full-length patio for where aside from the primary bedroom. So this runs the length of it down to the sliding glass doors over there by the where the living room area is. It's on the cusp of winter. It's January, so the grass looks like most grass does in the wintertime. Nice pool. You got the old diving board that takes us back to some memories for a lot of us. It's a big pool too. And you got a little hot tub over here. There's your hot tub. I love these trees. This is the primary bedroom right here. You can see we have 2 AC units on top of the roof. Back over here, you got a little extra side area. This is used as a batting cage, as you can see. So you could probably spruce this up a little bit and it would work well for you. No problems. You do have side access to the front of the house. And I just wanted to show you the pool equipment. There you go. All right, so let's continue with more of the backyard. And you do have this little deck right here off the primary bedroom. So as we transition to the far side of the yard here, this north-facing side of the yard, you can see we've got some nice paver stones. We do have artificial turf back here. So if you wanted to have green grass year round, you could. Nice sitting area. That's probably set up for a fire pit, or would be a great place to have a fire pit or a little couch area. Sit out there and chill. I'm not sure. So this is this a horseshoe pit? Just missing the stakes. Something bocce ball, something else, something different. This is also right where the RV gate is. So if you were going to put an RV behind the gate, or a boat, a trailer, whatever it may be, another car, if it was small enough, you could probably finagle it over here to the side, or if not, you would, in all likelihood, need to remove this, or at least take out these pavers that are on the side, and change up the nature of that backyard a little bit. There's our side of the house. Trash can access right to the driveway. So yeah, nice backyard, man. You could do a lot back here. You could entertain, you could relax, you could do a lot. If you wanted to build an additional structure back here, you could certainly put a garage, a structure, a detached casita, guest quarters. You could easily do that. We do have no HOA with this home. And let's head back inside. All right, so we'll just slowly come back through this area in case I missed anything. I don't think I did. Got the hood right there, of course. And in case you are a first-time watcher and you're like, well, Jake, how do those sliding glass doors work? Well, I'll show you. So, because we do get a lot of these out here in Las Vegas. We have great weather here, 8 months of the year, maybe 9, however you want to describe it. So when we're having that great weather and you want to entertain, you just open these up. And, 4.5, 5 foot wide maybe. But anyways, it just creates a nice space, easy flow, come and go to the inside of the house. All right, so we're going to go down this hallway, which is, like I said, it's wide. We're going to pop into these 3 secondary bedrooms, and then we'll see the primary. And then I'll give you my elevator pitch. Just kidding. All right, so here's the shared bathroom for the 3 secondary bedrooms. So you got 2 sinks. You can see that. You have a big walk-in shower right there. Little slides over, and you got your toilet, which is behind the door, right there. Now these rooms are all relatively the same, and if you haven't picked up on it, there's no carpet in the house. You have hard surface flooring throughout it. We do have these same lights throughout it. We have the shutters throughout the whole entire house. Got this nice big, it's probably like a 5-inch baseboard all throughout the house. All the closets have nice little built-ins. They are mirrored, so paying a little homage to the era of the home when it was built. So we'll call this bedroom number 1, secondary bedroom 1. Here we have secondary bedroom number 2. I believe that's a full-size bed. You got a little console right here. Got 2 little end tables. So you can see even if you put a queen bed in here or even a king bed, like you still, you're going to tighten up the room a little bit, but you still have room, you still have space. Right? Big good home office, put a little home gym action in there. And then here we just have another bedroom, nothing in it. All right, so we're going to head over into the primary. Let me double check. I thought there was a bunch of new stuff. Well, I mean, everything in the house is new, so. All right, so here we are in the primary bedroom. It's large, really large. Got a king-size bed there. You got a dresser over here. Got 2 oversized end tables right there. You do have this cool accent wall back here. So I mentioned there's another accent wall in the house. So I think it's kind of cool. Adds a bit of color, I won't say texture, but gives just a little dimension to the bedroom. You do have your own access to the backyard right there. You have a window right over the headboard right here. So a lot of natural light coming into here. Nice size walk-in closet that's been all built out for you. And last but not least, we have the primary bathroom. So 2 sinks, all new cabinets, countertops, big smart mirror. You got your toilet right back there. Got some additional storage inside the bathroom. That's always good, right? Check, check. And then you got this beautiful walk-in shower. We'll go into it. So you got really nice, got nice shower heads right there. You got a little handheld action. You got the same gold, accent trim throughout the house. Put your shampoos and soaps right there. There's that cool little floor plan. If you look close, it's almost, to me, it looks like a bunch of little bow ties. Like it's all woven in together. And you got this really good looking freestanding soaking tub. And when closed, you only have about a 5-inch, 6-inch gap at the top there. So you can make that into a steam shower, sauna, however you want to call it. But that does it for this home tour. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, follow us. If you have questions about buying or selling a resale home, a new construction home, any type of vacant land, a residential, commercial, we practice in all of those, and we'd love to help you out. So thanks again. Here's to 2024. Hope you have a great day, great year, and we'll catch you on the next home tour.